Okay, we've been out here 4 hours today. We're changing the spark plugs on a 2008 Dodge Ram Sports Hemi. This is Nairobi's first tune-up. He wants to be a mechanic. What a better way to learn than 16 plugs and big hands. Today is going to be a challenge to see if he want to be a mechanic. We went on YouTube and got our lesson, and then we went at it. We had no idea that we was going to be out here 4 hours. We didn't eat. We have dates. They're mad at us, cussing us out, because you know those women don't understand. Ruby came out here and looked at me and like, what the heck is going on? And my back is killing me and my knees is about to fall off. But
you was really crazy.
She called me crazy. Y'all see that little girl?
I was gonna ask you gonna put me in the video.
I'm gonna put her in the video because she brought us dinner out here. A tease. She brought 2 men, 1 hot dog.
And not even a pound of...
Not even a pound of fries. And 10 French fries. And she's laughing.
Okay, y'all drink.
So back to changing the spark plugs. Got this side lit already. See, those are the coils. Under each of those coils, there are 2 spark plugs. But all the way over there, they say it's easy, and it is, but with your hands, boy, prepare. I don't think I'm going to do it again. But I don't know if you guys can see that. There's one way up there. Yeah, they didn't design this for this. I don't know why they didn't make this easier. Well, we got all that out. We might as well clean it all up. That's right. See Nairobi? He's the future mechanic. Y'all bring your car to him. He's going to tune you right up. Support the young black man. It's kind of dirty up in that joint. And look at these plugs. So where I'm at. Well, this is part 1 of a young black man tackling a Hemi. Let's see where he went.